Income source number 4 is digital products. Now with my personal channel, since I teach people how to grow their very own niche faceless YouTube channels, I made a course that I could sell with this channel that teaches my entire process step by step. It includes step-by-step instructions, templates, checklists, literally everything you need to succeed, in addition to a private community where I answer every single question. And then all I did is I put the link to this course in the description of all of my personal channel videos, and I make around $70,000 per month just from this one traffic source alone. And that's 45% of my monthly income. And keep in mind, we have tons of different traffic sources for promoting my course. For example, we have affiliates who promote the course and we split the money 50-50. I promote the course on my other social media in addition to running ads, in addition to people just searching my name, going to the website and buying the course. So the lesson in this and the huge takeaway for you is that if you have any type of skill whatsoever, that you know just 1% more than most people in, and ideally it's in a niche related to health, wealth, happiness, technology, or travel, then you could potentially be sitting on millions of dollars. And the reason I say this is because creating a course like this has brought me from making around 6 figures per year to making well over 7 figures per year. And potentially the only thing sitting in front of your knowledge in millions of dollars is literally just sitting down, recording some videos, teaching something that you know step by step, uploading those videos onto a platform like Kajabi, setting up a sales page, and then integrating with a checkout page on something like Digistore24 so other people can promote your course for you. And that could potentially change your life, and more importantly, the lives of all of the people that you teach. Income source number 5 is selling high ticket products.